Oh, way to go, Tiger. Rivik touch of class by the Rels Diamond Magic. Andorra, Sir Frederick Stormplay, Banay. Is on the outside by the rail. Is with an gorgeous Danish Minstrel. Third last Bonjour Speed to Riches and China's Gold. Touch of class, Diamond Magic, Tiger Rivik is racing in third, moving up Sweet and Gorgeous. Turn touch of class by about 2 lengths, followed now by Tiger Rivik on the outside, and Sweet and Gorgeous, Banay, Diamond Magic, Sir Frederick, as they race the last 200, touch of class, Tiger Rivik, Banay on the outside, touch of class, touch of class, Tiger Rivik, but still touch of class, and finally touch of class, Tiger Rivik, Banay, Sir Frederick, and Bonjour for your Ventafecta.
7-2